Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is ink drawing Photoshop action. First file is brush, and second is action, 28.3 MB. Okay, so password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access. You can import one by one, many options, but I select these, enter, and now we need a photo. For example, open this one, close it, and create new layer. Our layer name is paint in small letter. Okay, select brush tool, select red color, and okay, hardness is 100%, so cover this area. Select this one and okay, I tell you just for example, click on Windows, next click on action. You can press Alt F9 and you see here our action in this action place. Extract this folder and here play me. Click on play, select your paint layer and then click on play me. Our action is start, so wait. Wow, the action is finished. Stop and unlock this layer. Oh, you see our drawing photo is ready, so you can adjust your own photo. Password in this app, go to Google Play to write Sheri SK. I hope these actions are useful for you. Subscribe me, Allah Hafiz.